In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords to Google Ads. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your browser and search for Google Ads. You're looking for the official result that takes you to ads.google.com. This ensures you're in the right place and not on a third-party site. Once you're there, click the correct link and head to the home page. On the Google Ads page, click Sign In. Use the Google account associated with your advertising access. If you're prompted for verification, complete it and you'll land in your account dashboard. Now look to the left-hand menu and find the section labeled Content. Interfaces can update over time, so if you don't see content immediately, make sure you're in the main view where your campaigns are listed, and then proceed to the area where you manage campaign elements. Click into Content and then choose Edit Content. This puts you in editing mode, so the changes you make will apply to the items you select. Next, select the campaign you want to work on. Your campaign is the container for settings like budget and location. Choose the one that matches the objective you're optimizing. After that, select the ad group within that campaign. Each ad group should focus on a tight theme. Think a single product, service, or category, so the keywords and ads remain highly relevant to each other. Inside the chosen ad group, click on Keywords. This opens the place where you can see existing keywords and add new ones. You'll typically see performance columns here, but for now, we're focusing on adding terms that match how your customers search. To add more keywords, type them in, one per line. Keep them specific to the ad group's theme. If you want help, use the keyword ideas on the right side of the panel. Enter your website or a product name and Google will suggest related terms. Review the suggestions carefully and select only those that match your intent. Consider match types as you add them. Broad match finds variations, phrase match keeps the search within your wording with some flexibility, and exact match targets very tight intent. You can write keywords plainly for broad, use quotation marks for phrase, or brackets for exact. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Keep your list relevant, avoid duplicates, favor clear intent terms, and remember you can refine later. After saving, give the system time to collect data, then come back to review performance and fine-tune.